Welcome back to problem 4. In this video, we will be looking at another binary linear word problem. A group of children are going on a field trip. Boys wear yellow hats and girls wear red hats. From every boy's perspective, there are 5 more yellow hats than red hats. From every girl's perspective, there are 2 times as much as yellow hats as red hats. So how many boys are there and how many girls are there? So it's important to really understand what this problem is talking about and what it means by perspective. First, we know that boys are the ones that are wearing yellow hats and that the girls are the ones wearing red hats. So let me ask you a question. Can a boy wear a red hat? No, because boys wear yellow hats. And can a girl wear yellow hats? No, because girls only wear red hats. So that just to tell you that the number of yellow hats is equal to the number of boys, and the number of red hats is equal to the number of girls. Now, this next 2 sentences. From every boy's perspective, from every girl's perspective. So if you're wearing a hat on your head, you can't really look at your head, right? Unless, your eyes are somewhere on your head, but I don't think that's very realistic. Anyway, so what it's saying is this is a girl, okay? This is a girl. Okay, that's her hat. Yeah, this is a girl. Okay. And she cannot look up here. She can only look over here in that direction. So nobody can see the color of their own hat. So from every boy's perspective, there are 5 more yellow hats than red hats. So it's saying that from every boy's perspective, there are 5 more girls than boys. And from every girl's perspective, again, the girls cannot see their own hat color. There are 2 times as much yellow hats as red hats. Okay. 2 pieces of information, 2 sentences, and we're going to start writing our equations. Okay. So I'm first going to set B as the number of boys, and I'm going to set G as number of girls. Okay. So from every boy's perspective, there are 5 more yellow hats than red hats. From the every boy's perspective, which means that the person that perspective is from, that boy that's looking at everyone else right now, cannot see their own hat, which means that there is 1 person less than the total number of boys. And from their perspective, right, there are 5 more yellow hats than red hats, which means that this many boys is equal to 5 more girls, so 5 plus G. And we also know that from every girl's perspective, there are 2 times as many yellow hats as red hats. So from every girl's perspective, B is equal to 2 times G minus 1, because again, this is all the rest of the girls that are not the person that is looking at everyone else, right? You can't see your own hat, so it's not including yourself. And now we solve. So what math method can we be using right now? Well, we already have one variable onto one side of the equation, which means that we can substitute. So we know that this b, we can substitute this value in here. This b equals 2 times g minus 1 equals 5 plus g. All right, so 2g minus 2 minus 1 equals 5 plus g. So g is equal to 8. There are 8 girls, and we can substitute this value into any equation right here. So substitute into this equation. So 8 minus 1 equals 7. So there are 14 boys. Okay. and add my bracket. If you were to actually solve this problem, remember your label. It's just that this is for efficiency. So thank you for watching through Inquisitive Kids, and see you next time.